Today we will explore how to utilize camera raw presets within Lightroom. First, ensure that you have either saved or loaded presets inside camera raw. To verify, click on the presets icon and check under user presets. Here we have few presets saved and ready to use. If you are interested in learning how to load and save color presets in camera raw, check out my dedicated video. The link will be provided in the description below. Now open your image in Lightroom, making sure that the develop workspace is selected. Navigate to presets and choose user presets. There they are, all your camera raw color presets inside Lightroom. Apply your desired presets by simply clicking on it. If you wish, you can make further adjustments by manipulating the sliders on the right. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to write in the comments. Let me know if there is anything else you would like to learn. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.